See those muscles? They may not seem like much, but in the world of gigs, they are exceptional. I've always aspired to have a muscle mass of a statistically average man in my age group. Today, with help of Alexa and Echo buttons, this dream can become reality. I can remember 100 digits of a pi number, but keeping a track of my training plan, that's challenging. That's why I learned how to develop Alexa skills and then implemented an algorithm that can handle it for me, obviously. And I also know that motivation plays a key part in any training plan. That's why I selected a voice impression that will keep me engaged throughout the training. All right, enough of the talk. Let's see the skill in action. Echo, start push-up training.
Welcome. I will help you work on your strength and reach your fitness goals. I'll do it together with my partner. Here he comes.
Train with me if you want to live. Now press the button that you want to use for counting.
Alright.
Today's training includes 21 push-ups in 5 rounds. Get into a push-up position. Place button on a soft block under your chest, then press it or say ready to start.
Help.
Please get into a push-up position on the floor or mat. Your hands and arms should be positioned below your shoulders, fingers pointed forwards. To count push-ups with an echo button, place it under your chest on a soft block or folded towel. For the best experience, the height of the block should match approximately the height of your fist. Let's try it again. Get into a push-up position, then press a button, or say ready to start.
First round. 5 push-ups to go. 4, 3, 2, 1. It was hard. Rest now for 60 seconds. You can hold the button for 3 seconds until it turns red, and then release to finish the break early.
Alright, I can actually do more push-ups, so I'll skip the break.
Second round. 4 push-ups to go. 3, 2, 1. Fifth and final round. 3 push-ups to go. 2, 1. It was hard. You completed the entire training. Please give your body a day or more to rest and come back. And remember, strength does not come from winning. Your struggles develop your strengths. So when you go through hardships and decide not to surrender, that right there, that's called strength. So that ends all the training. I hope you enjoyed yourself and you look fantastic. See you real soon. Hasta la vista, baby.
Alright. So, don't worry if you don't have echo button. That's a solution for you. You can always go to your local Amazon bookstore. Amazon bookstore. Echo, start push-up training.
Welcome. I will help you work on your strength